The error code 14 on a tankless water heater indicates overheating or an overheat wrap fault, and it can be caused by several factors, including a gas problem, a blocked vent, a faulty heat exchanger, or an ineffective safety circuit. To fix this issue, it is essential to identify the root cause. First, check the gas type the heater is supposed to use, as the model number can indicate whether it uses natural gas, denoted by an N at the end, or liquefied petroleum gas, denoted by a P at the end, and ensure the correct gas is being used. Next, inspect the vent for blockages and clear out any obstructions, making sure airflow around the heater is not restricted. The heat exchanger should also be checked for cracks and separations, and if damaged, it should be repaired or replaced by a professional. Additionally, the connections should be inspected, specifically the Molex connection to the control board, to ensure it is inserted correctly. If the connection is okay, the Molex connector should be unplugged and its resistance tested, which should be within the range of 50 to 500,000 ohms if the resistance is within range. The control board may need to be replaced, but if not, the entire heater may need to be replaced.